There we go. Sitting right next to that big rock. On the board. Oh yeah. That baby bass. Alright, we got it started. Man, them fish are cold. There he goes.
What's the magic you got now?
This is a KVD. It's similar to the Sexy Shad. It's a chartreuse with black. It's the KVD 1.5.
First crankbait I ever fell in love with was the
There we go, first cast.
oh wow. Didn't take long.
A little squeaker, first cast. Heck yeah. That's 2 out of here. Myself a little bit of slack here. There we go. A little squeaker, but it's a fish. Off he goes.
Never seen another fish back there. Not bad, I guess 15. Get him unhooked out of the net here. See exactly what we got.
Yeah.
Go. Maybe a 14 and a half. Not bad. Chasing crankies today. This is the shallow A in the baby bass. There's a little bit more shallow dive and a little tighter wobble to it. They're chasing it just as well. There we go. Nice fish. East Fork Little Miami, you guys know what it's about. Let's let him go.
Nice fish here.
Ooh, I got you in the pan.
There we go. That's a soul guy.
Shut up, a soggy boy.
Yeah. Not a bad little soul guy either.
Glad we came back and fished the original beginning spot because new species on the board, only the second species on the day. Look at that, we got a sog dog.
I put my pliers on my bag. I got it.
Yeah, I got mine right on my chest if you want to grab them.
These. Oh, there it is.
I love how mean those look.
Oh yeah.
They're just a mean looking fish.
There's teeth. Oh yeah. Heck yeah. Take it.
Nice, dude. Let's get a pic of you with that nasty sub, dog. Boom.
There he goes. He was on that grass I threw out there. I've had so much trouble with grass today and these treble hooks. This one actually sunk through. It's just a little Walmart special. I honestly don't even know what this color is. He hit. I kind of figured it wasn't a smallmouth. There was as much fight. And come up, I saw a saw guy. It's my first saw guy of the year.
I'd love to catch enough of those to have a catch and cook.
Oh,
They're
yeah.
like walleye.
Yeah, saw guy and walleye are good eating, good white meat. It's
yeah.
some of the best. Oh, that's something nice. I might need you to net this. Oh. Oh, yes.
Nice catch, dude. That was the next cast, wasn't
Yeah.
it? Holy smokes.
Literally next cast. Man, if we would have started with the crankbait.
Cranks, dude.
Man. On the old Walmart special. That's easily my biggest fish of the day.
Look at that. Aren't you glad we decided to get back in the river and not pack it up for the day?
Yes.
Holy smokes.
We were literally back at our vehicles. Matt's wife was nice enough to come pick us up, went and got a bite to eat, refueled. And it's just too beautiful of a day not to walk back down to the spot where we started. Literally back-to-back casts. And
dude, Jeremiah's on fire over here.
yeah, like I am so glad
you need to
we decided to walk back down here. Literally right there. I guess it's good luck to not have your pliers handy. I put them back on my bag, and
let's get another pic.
Sure enough.
Quick. Okay.
Literally walked back down to the hole we started in, and 2 casts. First one was a saw guy, second one was this nice chunky smallmouth just on the crankbait. We got in this morning, I was throwing a jig, Matt was throwing a spinner. We realized shortly after crankbaits were where it was. Decided to come back down here, come back to the original hole, throw a crankbait. So glad we did. Beautiful fish, beautiful day. Can't ask for much more. Let's see, that's a beard. Or Derek. Yeah,